Hi everyone, this is Sandy with Create with the Heart, and I'm back to share my Club La La Land kit for July 2020, as well as some projects that I made with it. So what I discovered is that I'm really terrible at coloring monkeys, so I probably should watch some Copic tutorials on how to color monkeys, because I struggled with that. I do really like the kit. I think it's very cute. It didn't really play with it as much as I wanted to. I just wasn't feeling inspired. I don't know why. Sometimes that just happens, right? But this is the kit. So you got your little Safari Marcie, some monkeys, quite a few sentiments, and then the Safari Skyline border, as well as the Safari truck, which I thought was kind of fun. I think I'd love to use this in like a dinosaur cart, because I don't know. This truck reminds me of Jurassic Park or something. But here are the stamps. They're red rubber. And let me show you the projects that I made. So this right here is, I believe, from Sunny Studio. They have like a border stamp set, and so that's that there. And then I just used this die, which I can't remember where I got it from, but it's Wild About You. And then I have my monkeys climbing on that. So I do like how that one came out. And then this one was a background that I had made with the green one of these. I don't know where it is right now. It's right here somewhere. But it's this gilding polish. And I used it in this like a moss color over a stencil that I had. So that's what that is right here. I had made that background a while ago and was able to use it for this card. And then I've got the safari, a little bit of a safari background. That's what was left out of this one. My little Safari Marcie, a monkey, and just says, "Hope your day is wild." And then for this one, I did a slimline card, and I did a little bit of, you know, of inking, which I don't do a lot of inking. I've been really practicing my inking. It needs a lot more practice, but this is what I came up with. I've got my safari border here, the little truck with the monkey in it, and it says, "Hope your day is wild," including these birds, which also come in the kit. So here are the projects that I made. Not as many as I normally make in a kit, but I feel good that I got through it. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.